Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi, and in today's video we're gonna be shooting a casual everyday office look. You can wear it on every casual occasions. So if you wanna know how I get this look, then please continue watching, and before that don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos. So let's get started. So first things first, as you can see, I have nothing on my face, and starting off with moisturizing it. And for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Shea Secrets Protein Lotion with Neroli and White Tea. It's such a good lotion. I cannot stop emphasizing that how good it is. I recently bought it and I'm loving it up. I'm just going to slightly massage it all over my face to make a good layer of moisturization, and massaging it till it absorbs into my skin well. Now moving towards the eyebrows, I'm taking the Etude House brow pencil in the shade dark brown and just brushing off my eyebrows to straighten up some hairs, and now filling it up. I'm just going very not very dark with it. I'm just brushing it out and filling any sparse areas that I have. And now setting it up with the mascara, I'm just taking the Kiko Milani 30 Day Extension Mascara. Just gonna brush my hair through it so that whatever product that I applied earlier just stay intact. And now we're gonna use a concealer. For this I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade medium beige, and just gonna conceal out my eyes to cancel out any extra pigmentation that I have on my lids. Just gonna blend it through a beauty blender. So in today's video, we're not going to be using any foundations because we're going to be doing an everyday casual office day look, and nobody wants to wear foundation on everyday basis. Even I hate that. So I just going to use concealer, and that's it. Just going to cancel out some extra pigmentation and just even out the skin. Now blending it up really nicely so that everything is even out. You can see that how much difference it does make to my eyes. Now moving towards setting it up, I'm taking the Lakme setting powder and just patting it on my eyes. And I'm also going to set my face a little. And now taking the eyeshadow palette, the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, taking that transition shade, applying it all over my lid. And I'm taking a big fluffy blending brush. I'm not going in very precise motion. I'm going it very roughly because it's an everyday look, and it has to be very effortless and not has to be time taking. So I'm just going very freely with my brush and applying it all over my lid and making sure the color is nicely blended and melted into my skin. As you can see, the color is very similar looking to my eyelids, and it's not even looking that I'm wearing any special shade, which is really good. Now taking these burnt orange and brown shade, mixing them up and just deepening up my eyes to give that more on the to accentuate that. I'm not going to make my eyes look very flat, so just accentuating that, I'm using these two colors and going in very freely hand. I'm not going with any precise brush motions, going very roughly and freely. And now taking the liner, doing it behind the back camera, and now applying the kajal to tightline my upper waterline. Okay, so guys, I don't do kajal on camera because it takes a lot of time for me to apply wings equally on both the sides, so I'm still in practice of that, don't mind please. And now I'm applying a coat of mascara, taking the same mascara that I used for my eyebrows. Just applying a really one coat of it, not too much. Going in with my lower lashes, which I barely have but still just going there. And now moving towards the face after this, I'm going to be using the primer serum from Wet n Wild. Just going to drop it up on my face. Okay, so I can say that it is the very best primer base for everyday makeup look, but because it actually keeps your makeup intact and it does not budge and smudge, so it can actually be a good friend of yours if you are going to be doing makeup on everyday basis, if you're an office going or a college going girl. So it can be very intact for you as well. massaging it all over my face so that it is evenly spread out. As it absorbed, now moving towards the primer. So I'm using a primer as well, because the primer serum that I used earlier does not fill in your pores. So for me fill in my pores, I'm going to be using this. So guys, let me tell you that it is important to use a silicone primer. Now I'm using concealer underneath my eyes, just taking a little more than little amount, because we don't have foundation over here. So we're gonna do all the concealing and correcting and even outing our skin with concealer. So I'm using in all over the places that I want to highlight or to even out. And now I'm just gonna blend it out. As you can see, my skin looks very even out and fresh already. Now it's time to set it up. For that I'm using the same Lakme powder and just gonna set up my face with it. Not using very excess, but actually tapping off the excess powder and then using the remaining on the brush. Now moving on towards bronzing. I'm just gonna use a little bit of color on my face, because the concealer or foundation makes your face look flat. So I'm just gonna add color to it, and using the Rimmel bronzer, just going moving towards my cheek and going into upward direction to make my face look a little lifted up. Just going on my forehead, my jawline, just to make it look a little bit colored. Not using contour on this, because we don't need a heavy contouring on daily basis. Bronzer can be done. And now next up, I'm gonna blush at my face. For that I'm using an eyeshadow palette and taking these two shades, mixing it up and applying on my face. I'm using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. These can be used because this palette actually has a lot of shades. It has a bronzer shade, a contour shade and blush shades as well. So I like using this palette on my blush bases as well. I don't mind using that. You can even use it. It's not a like a strict hard and fast rule that you only have to use an eyeshadow palette on eyes only. Now lining up my lips with the lip liner. And now I'm just gonna use lipstick. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade 656 Clay Crush. Just gonna apply it very light layer of it, because I love nude lips, and I think on everyday basis everybody prefers to go on nude lips. Has to be some color. And this is the final look that I came up with. It's not too much glam, but it's not too much on the dull side. Your skin looks fresh, you looks fresh, and it actually makes you look more presentable on the side. So if you like this look, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And till then, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye, take care.